My name is Caleb, and since Cotton Tree Farm is going to be changing quite a bit here in the next few weeks, we're actually going to be losing 20 critters. I figured maybe we should give you a tour now before we go through the changes. So here's the cows. This is one of the things that's going to be changing. This black one here in front with the halter, that's Maggie. She's pregnant. She is half Jersey cow, half Dexter cow. She's been bred back to some high-end Jersey bull. We had her AI'd. And the two big Jersey cows that are feeding in the bale feeder are Twinkle and Taffy. And they come from originally from an Amish community and ended up here on Cotton Tree Farm. Oh, peeing, thank you. That black calf, that's a calf we acquired as a meat cow. She's a heifer. She's half Black Angus, half Holstein. And that little red one over there, that's Tulip. I don't know where her sibling is. Tulip was Taffy's calf. She calved here this year on the farm. And I'm sure the little bull calf, we call that one Buster. I'm sure he's just on the other side of the bale feeder. He's ornery. So that's the cows. Tulip and Buster, the red calves, they're going to be going bye-bye here pretty soon as part of our barter to acquire the Jersey cows. I'll talk about that in another video. But so we're losing those two calves here this weekend. And let's see, our pigs are going to be going bye-bye pretty soon. They're going to be ready to butcher in a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks. So one of those is going to stay here a little bit longer, and we're going to butcher that one here at the farm, and we'll have a video of that for you. And the other 6 pigs, let's see, in 2 weeks they should be between 300 and 350 pounds, good market weight. And they have all been purchased to this point. Some of them are getting picked up and hauled off. Some of them are going directly to a butcher. Here's the pigs. Sky Dog! Now, when they came to the farm, they were a lot smaller than this. Hey, girl. Happy pigs. It's a lot of bacon. Good looking pigs. So, I don't know if you can see this. This is our garden that I'm walking next to. It's been chewed up, tilled up. I came through it with the tractor and a spring tooth. There. Yeah. Pigs. Corral. There's a barn. It's about 110 years old. Looking pretty good. One of the equipment sheds. Got the hog feed in it. There's a barn. There's some barbed wire T-posts. I need to get some fencing up, so got those out. That's the hay shed. I can hear roosters crowing. Lost the pup. Sky Dog! There she is. Alright, so this is really cool. Our chicken coop. That is cornfield next to us here. And we'll be turning that cornfield into a alfalfa field this year. There'll be a video of that too. So, chicken coop, we'll go into more detail on how unique this place is in another video. catalpa tree right in the yard. Look at some chickens. About time for them to come out anyway. Woo! There's Mr. Rooster. A few of the chickens have names. We like our chickens. We got Barred Rocks, Silver-Laced Wyandottes, that's what that one is. Some Reds, a few Black Jersey Giants. Go. We gotta lock this thing up really well at night because we have foxes, raccoons, and possums. And see, she's already getting ready to go play in the yard. Most of these will. Ain't got their milk yet. We give them a gallon of curdled milk every morning. Well,